Welcome to an essential discussion on the often underestimated power of proper hydration, especially for men navigating life beyond 50. As we age, our bodies undergo significant changes, and maintaining optimal hydration becomes even more critical for overall health and vitality. Today, we'll explore how adequate water intake can profoundly impact everything from blood flow and energy levels to hormonal balance and prostate health. Let's dive into the science behind staying well hydrated and discover practical strategies to make it a restorative daily ritual. Proper hydration is fundamental for robust blood flow, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach every cell in your body efficiently. This enhanced circulation directly translates to sustained energy levels, helping you combat fatigue and maintain your daily activities with vigor. Think of water as the essential lubricant for your internal machinery, keeping everything running smoothly and preventing sluggishness. Beyond just drinking water, the timing of your hydration is crucial for maximizing its benefits throughout the day. Starting your day with a glass of water rehydrates your body after hours of sleep, kickstarting your metabolism and organ function. Midday hydration helps sustain energy and focus, preventing the afternoon slump often associated with dehydration. And a final glass in the evening supports cellular repair and detoxification processes while you rest. The method of drinking water also plays a significant role in how effectively your body absorbs it. The science suggests that sipping water slowly throughout the day allows for better cellular absorption compared to gulping large quantities at once. This gradual intake prevents your kidneys from being overwhelmed, ensuring more water is retained and utilized by your body. For men over 50, hydration has a direct link to hormonal balance, particularly concerning testosterone levels. Dehydration can negatively impact hormone production, leading to decreased testosterone, which affects energy, mood, and muscle mass. Maintaining proper fluid balance supports the endocrine system, optimizing the synthesis and regulation of vital hormones. Hydration is also a key player in maintaining prostate health, a significant concern for men over 50. Adequate water intake helps flush out toxins and bacteria from the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation that can affect the prostate. It also ensures proper kidney function, which is essential for filtering waste products from the blood. Water acts as the primary carrier for nutrients, vitamins, and minerals throughout your body. It transports these essential elements to your cells, facilitating metabolic processes and supporting overall cellular health. Without sufficient water, nutrient delivery can be compromised, impacting everything from immune function to cognitive performance. Turning hydration into a daily ritual is key to unlocking its full restorative potential. Set reminders, keep a water bottle handy, and make conscious efforts to sip water consistently throughout your day. Consider infusing your water with fruits or vegetables for added flavor and nutrients, making the habit more enjoyable. Embrace this simple yet powerful practice, and you'll notice significant improvements in your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Remember, proper hydration isn't just about quenching thirst, it's a cornerstone of health for men over 50. By prioritizing your water intake, you're investing in a more vibrant, energetic, and healthier future. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your health.
Welcome to the second segment of our Vitality series, where we delve deeper into the crucial and often underestimated connection between proper hydration, sufficient oxygen intake, and sustained performance endurance, specifically tailored for men over the age of 50. Understanding this intricate relationship is key to maintaining your health and energy as you age. Water and oxygen are not merely separate elements, they are fundamental partners, working in perfect synchronicity to maintain your body's peak function, especially as we navigate the natural changes that come with aging. They don't just coexist, they work synergistically, fueling every single cell within your body, from your brain to your muscles, ensuring optimal operation. Optimal hydration is paramount as it ensures the efficient transport of oxygen throughout your entire bloodstream. This direct and vital process significantly impacts your daily energy levels, preventing fatigue and sharpening your cognitive clarity, allowing you to think more clearly and stay focused throughout the day. Now, let's delve into a practical and effective 3-stage circulation technique. This method is specifically designed to enhance this vital partnership between hydration and oxygen, ultimately boosting your overall endurance and helping you feel more robust and energetic. The first stage of this technique involves deep diaphragmatic breathing. This isn't just shallow chest breathing, it's about consciously drawing oxygen deep into the lower lobes of your lungs. This maximizes gas exchange, allowing more oxygen to enter your bloodstream and nourish your body. Next, incorporate gentle, deliberate movements into your routine. Simple exercises like arm circles or leg raises are incredibly effective. These movements stimulate blood flow, acting as a pump to distribute oxygen more effectively to all your tissues and organs, enhancing circulation without strenuous effort. Finally, conscious and consistent hydration with water throughout the day is crucial. This supports the enhanced circulation achieved through breathing and movement, ensuring that vital nutrients, along with oxygen, reach every single cell in your body, optimizing their function and overall health. Did you know that the temperature of your water can also play a significant role in its benefits? Warm water, in particular, offers unique and often overlooked advantages for your body, extending beyond simple hydration. Drinking warm water can significantly aid digestion by helping to break down food more efficiently. It also promotes a sense of relaxation, soothing your nervous system, and can even improve circulation by gently dilating blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow. This practice of consuming warm water can be particularly beneficial for men over 50. It supports overall comfort, eases digestive processes, and contributes to better bodily functions, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. Beyond plain water, electrolytes and essential minerals are absolutely critical for maintaining proper fluid balance within your cells and supporting healthy nerve function. These micronutrients are the unsung heroes of hydration. These vital components work at a cellular level to prevent dehydration, ensuring that your muscles contract efficiently and your brain performs optimally. Without them, even if you drink enough water, your cells might not be able to utilize it effectively, leading to fatigue and impaired function. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich foods into your daily diet, such as bananas, avocados, and leafy greens. Alternatively, high-quality electrolyte supplements can be a convenient way to support this crucial balance, especially after physical activity or in warmer climates. The harmony between your heart, your hormones, and your hydration levels is a complex yet absolutely crucial aspect of men's vitality. These three systems are deeply interconnected and influence each other profoundly. Proper hydration directly influences cardiovascular health, helping your heart pump blood more efficiently. It also plays a key role in the regulation of essential hormones, impacting everything from your mood and energy levels to your metabolism and overall bodily functions. Maintaining this delicate balance between your heart, hormones, and hydration is not just beneficial, it's essential for sustained energy, robust health, and overall well-being as you navigate your later years, allowing you to live life to the fullest. Now, let's explore some advanced hydration strategies that go beyond simply drinking water. These techniques are designed to optimize your performance and endurance, helping you get the most out of your daily activities and workouts. Consider timing your water intake strategically throughout the day. For instance, drinking a glass of water immediately upon waking can effectively kickstart your metabolism, rehydrate your body after sleep, and prepare you for the day ahead. It's also vital to pay close attention to your body's unique signals. Adjust your water intake based on your activity levels, the environmental factors like heat or humidity, and how you feel. Your body often tells you what it needs. Prehydrating before any form of exercise is crucial for preventing fatigue and maintaining performance. Equally important is rehydrating effectively afterward to replenish lost fluids and electrolytes, which significantly aids in muscle recovery and overall recuperation. Finally, let's discuss an optimal evening hydration routine. This thoughtful approach to fluid intake before bed is designed to support restorative sleep and ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day, enhancing your morning vitality. While it's important to avoid excessive fluid intake right before bed to prevent disruptive nighttime awakenings, it's equally crucial to ensure you're adequately hydrated throughout the evening. This balance is key for a good night's rest. A small glass of water consumed an hour or two before sleep can be particularly beneficial. This is especially true if you've been physically active during the day, as it helps to replenish any fluids lost without causing discomfort during the night. This thoughtful and balanced approach to evening hydration contributes significantly to better sleep quality. It allows your body to perform essential restorative processes overnight, preparing you optimally for the demands and activities of the next day. Remember, the powerful synergy of proper hydration and optimal oxygenation is not just a concept. It is your fundamental key to unlocking sustained performance, enhancing your endurance, and maintaining robust health as you age. By diligently implementing these practical and evidence-based strategies into your daily life, men over 50 can significantly enhance their vitality, boost their energy levels, and dramatically improve their overall quality of life, enjoying every moment to its fullest. Stay tuned for even more invaluable insights and practical advice in our ongoing series on men's vitality. Your journey to achieving and maintaining optimal health and peak performance is a continuous and rewarding one.